Hello and welcome to today's how-to video. Uh, right, so we are going to have a look of doing how to install a sign mod for the class 318 uh, by Sam T for today's video for part 3. Right, so here's the thing. So you want to go to Sam T's website. Again, I will link that in the description below. And click on 318 Sound Mod, and then it'll show you the video of Sam T's sound mod which he done. Again, I do like the 318s. The requirements are you will need the AP318. Features new motor sounds, new flank and joint sounds, new transformer sounds, and new pressure ventilation something sound in the passenger view. That means also a new motor, I'd say. But yet again, I'd like to do a Yowie. What are these seats, AP? Tut tut tut. Anyway, getting too out of focus, let's get to the downloading. So first of all, you'd like to download the sound mod. As you may see, I've already got it installed, but I'll do it for you anyway to show you where it'd be located. So it'd be located in the Railworks folder. Right, that's it there, which is on my D drive. So when it's installed, you want to click on the application which says SAMTI 318SP Volume 1 APC. So you want to click that. Now it'll show you Windows protected your PC, Microsoft Defender, Smart Screen provided, and on don't know what that says. App from starting running this app might put your PC at risk. Press more info. Run anyway. And then you want to click yes on this. You might not see my screen, but you want to click yes on it. So here's the next thing. This program allows you to install Class 318 SP Volume 1.0 APC on your hard drive. It says I strongly recommend that before processing your ensure that no other Windows programs are running. If you don't want to, if you do not wish to install the Class 318 SP Volume 1, click Exit Now, or otherwise click Next. So you want to click Next. This is a release build which requires either or both the Armstrong Powerhouse Class 318 pack. So you want to click Next again. By downloading any other content, you agree to not something more says files downloaded without seeking permission. All files included are for personal use only. So you click I agree, next. So here's the thing, your TS will be under your C drive, mine is under my D drive. So I would like to go to this PC, D drive, it's Steam Apps, Common, Railworks, and OK. Then press Next. This program will install the Class 318SP Volume 1.0 APC into D drive, Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and Railworks. Click Next to install Class 318 SP Volume 1.0 APC. So it'll start installing the file, as you may see on the screen now. And here we go. Class 318 SP Volume let's say 1.0 APC has been successfully installed. So that's it been installed. You'll be thinking, Jordan, when is your next how-to video? This will be released on Tuesday. My last one was a live stream, just happened there. So yes, and I will see you later. Goodbye.